Best Laptop Camera Cover Slide Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular webcam covers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this laptop camera cover so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this webcam cover. The one that made our list is the iSoft webcam cover. With this cover, you can open and close it easily with a simple finger movement. It comes with a versatile adhesive that can be easily applied and removed without leaving any trace. It is only 0.022 inches thick, so you can close your laptop easily, slide it open only when necessary, and keep it closed to prevent potential hackers from coming through. This works even for external webcams and mobile phones as well. To check out the full specs of the iSoft webcam cover and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/camprivacycover. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this laptop camera cover. So there you have it, the iSoft webcam cover. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its multiple functionality, we feel that this webcam cover is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the iSoft webcam cover and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/camprivacycover. Alright, thank you for watching.